I've seen so many people create products. They create products, but the product is not doing well. I'm sure some of you must have had the same kind of issue, right? You have a product, but you are not making generational wealth. You are not making money. Let me walk you through first step, the reason why you are not making money with the product you currently have, and why you should go back and walk through the same step and observe what I'm about to see will change how you sell, market, and grow your business as far as product is concerned. Now let me go through them one after the other. The first thing you must know is this: your product must be a product that is not time bound. You cannot have a product that is time bound and want to create generational wealth. Your product must be a product that anybody can wake up in the middle of the night and use it. Yes, and have access to it. I can open my MacBook and have access to my laptop and use my laptop anytime of the day, in the night, in the morning. It's no time bound. Some of you create products and you say, no, I can only deliver 1 o'clock, I can only deliver 5 o'clock, and then you have a product that nobody can use all the time. So you have certain limitation that will make you not to grow. Step number 2 is your product must not be location bound. If you have a product, it should be accessible to anyone, everywhere in the world. Anyone, anywhere in the world. It should not be location bound. It should not be, oh, it's only available in the US. All right, okay, only US citizens will buy. It should be a product that is not location bound. The third thing is this: see, your product must be out of love for the users of your product, and you genuinely want them to win while using your product. If you can create a product like that, nothing is going to stop you. Last is your product must solve a major problem for a large audience, and with that, you are good to go, right? Your product must solve a major problem for a large audience. And if you want to know my top list of best product to create that meets all these criteria, link below. I created certain kind of product that you can be able to create, right, that meet these criteria. You can look at them and see if they fit you. With that said, go, and I was about to tell you, watch this video, watch that video. I'm not going to do that, right? I'm going to tell you now, go and start creating your products. We are waiting for you. We can't wait to see the solution you have inside of you. We are waiting. So go now, start to create your product and create that generational wealth for your children. See you guys.